Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening settings. Make sure the Realme C51 is unlocked and charged above 20% so nothing interrupts setup. Once done, go into Settings, then tap Convenience Tools or Smart Sidebar depending on your firmware. You want to find the floating window or Smart Sidebar option. Enable the main toggle to allow overlays. This first step grants the system permission to show floating apps and lays the groundwork for the next configuration stages. Next, you configure which apps can open in a floating window and how to trigger them. Open the floating window or app multitasking list and pick apps such as browser, messages, or video player. Toggle each to allowed. Then set the trigger. Choose a swipe in Smart Sidebar, a floating icon, or a gesture. This determines how you summon windows quickly. Finally, tweak the floating window size, transparency, and snap behavior so the overlay fits your workflow and doesn't block important UI. To finish, open an app you enabled and use your chosen trigger to create a floating window. Drag the corner to resize, move it, or tap the close control to dismiss. Once you're comfortable, make sure to restore full screen when needed by tapping the Maximize control. If the floating window won't appear, check Overlay or Display over other apps permission, and disable battery optimization for that app. Doing so prevents the system from blocking background overlays and usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.